Are you looking for a quick and easy way to change your username on chess.com? In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up any web browser you like, tap on the URL bar, and go to chess.com. Once you are on the chess.com website, log into your account. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap where it says Profile. Once you are on the settings page, you'll see your current username. If you want to change your username, simply tap where it says Change. And then enter your new username and the password of your chess.com account. One thing to keep in mind is that you can only change your username once. So make sure to enter it correctly without any spelling mistakes or anything like that. Once you've entered the username, tap Save to simply save and change your username on chess.com. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.